If you're here to stay, then there's no room to play. Buying a home in Atlanta honestly has just gotten to a new level of hard. We're covering the May market data, and you're going to be really surprised with what you see. If you haven't seen one of my market updates before, we cover all the critical points that you need to make an educated decision in today's housing market. Those include the new sales, the pending sales, the days on market, the closed sales, the average price, as well as the median sales price for homes in Atlanta, Georgia. If I didn't mention it before, we're actually covering the entire FMLS area, and our first data point is actually going to be the average sales price. I know how much you guys all care about money, so let's just get into those numbers, right? April's data shows that we had an increase from 472 up to 479,000. That's the average. We are actually seeing a significant high compared to last 2023 in June, which was 477,000. So for those of you who thought it was a good idea to wait, you are actually being bitten in the butt because prices have steadily increased over the last year. So moving on to the median sales price, click down here. We also saw a slight increase in median. That means from 389 up to 390,000 flat. That isn't too much, but obviously median moves at a slower rate than average because there's less skew in the data. So you may be wondering, what's the inventory like? If you've been sitting on those sidelines, things haven't gotten so much better, but we'll let the data speak for itself. New listings are up, but not significantly so from last month. 11,116 last month as compared to 11,400 the past month, okay? So we're seeing incrementally more listings come to market, but again, it's incremental. It's not that much. And again, the things that are here that I'm seeing firsthand, some of them are good, some of them are really not worth it. The homes that are actually for sale total, that's what I'm saying. They're up. They're not all worth it. Just because a home is hitting the market does not mean it's a quality product. As compared to last month, there are an increase in inventory, an increase in options that may suggest that sellers are more motivated because it is the season to sell. However, let's see how many sales are pending. Pending sales are down. That's crazy. Why is that? There's more inventory, yet pending sales are down. Well, I'm going to explain the psychology real quick. Just because there's new houses hitting the market does not mean they are quality houses. The houses that are quality sell. The houses that are low quality do not. You're getting a lot of rental homes that couldn't rent going to market to sell because the landlords have low interest rates but are not producing income. That puts you in a position where, do you want a fixer-upper for a higher average or median price, or do you want to pay more upfront for something maybe renovated, maybe a new construction, but is starting at around $400,000? It's up to you. That being said, closed sales are down alongside those pending sales. There's not much more to say on that matter. You can't get a close without the house having pended. But ultimately, days on market's going to speak for itself. They're down. The days on market are down. So a new listing is hitting market and selling super fast at this point. If it's good, it's gone. Because those who are sitting and waiting and are diligent are pre-approved. And they finally got their eye on what they want, and they're making offers at asking or slightly over asking again because quality is not there. So when quality shows up for the right price, people are paying it, which means that I don't believe housing prices are going to decline. You follow me? I hope you're following me, because people are paying what they can afford for quality housing, and they're not paying for low quality housing. So if you don't want a fixer-upper, it's going to be a hard time to buy in Atlanta right now. If you don't mind a new construction, there are a lot of great incentives. You're able to reach out to me. I'm happy to discuss those incentives. If you want a fixer-upper, please talk to me. I love fixer-uppers. I bought a fixer-upper. I'm in a fixer-upper. It helps. It gets you equity. It gets you the benefit of just making a good financial decision early on in your life if you get the fixer-upper. But if you get the new construction or you get a home that's fully renovated, expect to pay. These interest rates aren't a game. The interest rates are up, they're not down. So, as always, if you like the video, you like the market update, please like and subscribe to the channel for content every week. I go out and I film new constructions, I do market updates throughout the month, and obviously I just like to talk to you guys about housing. So come in, stay tuned, and I appreciate you.